Hey there! In this video, we're going to be talking about how businesses can use blockchain technology to increase efficiency. First, let's start by defining what blockchain is. Simply put, blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. It's the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it has a lot more potential uses beyond just digital currency. One of the key benefits of blockchain is that it allows for decentralized, peer-to-peer transactions. This means that there's no need for a middleman, like a bank, to verify transactions. This can lead to faster and cheaper transactions for businesses. Another benefit of blockchain is that it's incredibly secure. Once a block is added to the chain, it can't be altered, which makes it extremely difficult for hackers to tamper with the data. Now, let's talk about how businesses can use blockchain to increase efficiency. One of the most obvious ways is through the use of smart contracts. Smart contracts are digital contracts that can automatically execute when certain conditions are met. For example, a smart contract could automatically release payment to a supplier once a shipment of goods has been received. This eliminates the need for manual processes and can save a lot of time and money. Another way businesses can use blockchain is through supply chain management. By using blockchain, businesses can track the entire life cycle of a product, from the raw materials used to make it, to the final product that reaches the customer. This can help businesses identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in their supply chain, and make necessary changes to improve it. Blockchain technology can also be used for digital identity verification. By using blockchain, businesses can verify the identity of their customers and employees in a secure and efficient way. This can be especially useful for businesses that operate online, as it can help prevent fraud and identity theft. Finally, blockchain technology can be used for data sharing and collaboration. By using blockchain, businesses can securely share data with other businesses and organizations. This can lead to more efficient and effective collaboration, which can ultimately lead to better outcomes. It's important to note that while blockchain technology has a lot of potential uses, it's still a relatively new technology and businesses should be cautious when implementing it. It's important to do your research, and work with experienced professionals who can help you navigate the technology and ensure that it's implemented in the right way. In conclusion, blockchain technology can be used to increase efficiency in various ways, from smart contracts to supply chain management to data sharing. As a business owner, you should consider researching and experimenting with the technology to see how it can be applied to your business, and how it can help you save time and money. Thanks for watching. This is just a brief overview of how blockchain technology can be used to increase efficiency in business, but I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can use it in your own business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them.